Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for small businesses. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your company, whether it's online or desktop. Then, set up your company file, including your chart of accounts. Connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time and reducing manual entry errors. This foundational setup is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Next, master tracking your income and expenses. QuickBooks allows you to create and send professional invoices, helping you get paid faster. Accurately record all business expenses, from office supplies to travel, and categorize them correctly. This ensures your financial reports, like your profit and loss statement, are precise and provide clear insights into where your money is going. QuickBooks simplifies payroll management, allowing you to process employee payments, calculate taxes, and even offer direct deposit. Beyond payroll, generating financial reports such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets is straightforward. Regularly reconcile your bank accounts to match your QuickBooks records with your bank statements, ensuring all transactions are accounted for and your books are accurate. Finally, explore QuickBooks' advanced features. If you sell products, use inventory management to track stock levels and costs. QuickBooks also helps track sales tax, simplifying preparation for tax filings. Consider integrating third-party apps for enhanced functionality, such as time tracking or specialized reporting. These tools can further streamline your operations and provide deeper business insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.